Hey y'all, in this video we're talking about 5 through 8. Okay, so we are trying to simplify the expressions. We're going to be adding, subtracting right away. I noticed we are subtracting, so I'm going to distribute the subtraction sign. So minus 4y cubed minus 8y cubed, or to the fourth. Tis better. Okay, so now we're going to combine like terms. We have a y cubed here and a y cubed here. So it's 1 minus 4. That's going to give me negative 3y cubed. Then it's going to be y to the fourth, y to the fourth. So negative 7 minus 8, that's negative 15y to the fourth. Okay, and if you check the answer key, oh, they did right. They did put in the right order. Perfect. We need to put it in standard form. So I need to put the y to the fourth, it's negative, first. And then y to the third second, because you go highest exponent to lowest. So 4 before 3. Okay, let's look at number 2 or number 7 here. So it's right here. Again, we are subtracting, so I'm going to change my signs, bring them in. Okay, so I notice that my 5's cancel right here because I have xy squared and xy squared, they cancel. Then I have a y squared and a y squared. I can combine those together, and we're going to get 8y squared as my final answer. Okay, number 6. It's a plus sign. Ooh, we don't have to bring that negative in, so we're just going to add like terms. So a squared and a squared, I'm going to get 8a squared. B squared and b squared, I get minus 7 plus negative 5. So that's going to be what? That's 12 minus 12b squared. That's my answer. And the last one, it's again a plus sign. We don't have to distribute anything, so we have to look for like terms. I have a u cubed v to the fourth, so u cubed v to the fourth. There's a 1 here, so I'm going to get 7, because 6 plus 1 is 7. And then I'm going to get u squared v squared, u squared v squared. So it's going to be 7. Yeah. U squared, v squared. And that's my answer. Okay, bye!